All right, so V at 0 gives us no volume, V at 15 gives us no volume. So let's say V at 6.3 gives us this volume right here, 5195.988. Let's go centimeters cubed. Okay, what are our dimensions? Well, we know x equals 6. Let's change colors. Okay, here we go. Okay, x equals 6.3. We know 60 minus 2x equals, and 30 minus 2x equals. So 60 minus 2 times 6.3 is 47.4. And 30 minus 2 times 6.3 is 17.4. So therefore, our dimensions are 6.3 by 47.4 by 17.4. Okay, example 3. Crystal and Deshawn are both training for a marathon. Crystal's house is located 20 kilometers north. So we'll say north. Sorry, from Deshawn's house. At 9 a.m. one Sunday, Crystal leaves her house and jogs south at 8 kilometers per hour. At the same time, Deshawn leaves his house and jogs east at 6 kilometers an hour. When are Crystal and Deshawn closest together, given that they both run for 2.5 hours? Okay, so Crystal's up here, she's north, and she's running south. Okay, Deshawn's here, he's running east. Okay, Crystal's going at 8 kilometers an hour. Deshawn's going at 6 kilometers an hour. Okay, and we know that this distance here, from here to here, is 20. Okay, I find these the hardest questions. Because it's like, as one person's moving down, like this person's going over here, and our hypotenuse is it's going from like here to here to here, right? I find these questions very interesting. Okay, so if Crystal starts at point C, she reaches this point right here. Let's call it CD. Let's call it E. That's fine. E after T hours. Okay, let's go all the way up here. Okay, so this CE is going to be 8T kilometers, because it's like 8 kilometers an hour and it's like times T hours. So this is going to be 8 kilometers, okay? And then this distance right here is actually going to be 20 minus 8T kilometers. Okay, and then if Deshawn starts, let me change colors. If Deshawn starts here at point D, he's going to reach this point. So we have C, D, E, let's call this F. Okay, he's going to reach point F, and now they're going to have a distance of DF apart. Okay, so this is going to be our distance, this is going to be our S. So we're going to talk about some distance S at T. Okay, so if we think about it, we're going to have this distance here, 20 minus 8T, and that's going to be squared, plus some distance AB, so this is DF, but we can call DS 6T, and we can square that, because this is we're using Pythagorean's theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we want to know this distance, like this being a, this being b, and we want to know the hypotenuse, essentially. Okay, so if we were to expand this, this would be 400 minus 20 times -8, 160 times 2, -320, t plus 64 t squared. Okay, and then that's plus 36 t squared. Okay, so I get 100 t squared minus 320 t plus 400. Okay, so this is at SRT. Now let's find, this is S at t. Now let's find the actual derivative. So we can rewrite this as a exponent of 1/2. So we get 1/2, and we write this as it is, 100 t squared minus 320 t plus 400 to the -1/2 times the derivative of what's inside. So I get 200 t minus 320. Okay, let's rewrite that. So I get 200 t minus 320 on the top, and then I get 100 t squared minus 320 t plus 400 to the 1/2 on the bottom. Okay, super duper ugly. So our question, so they both run for 2.5 hours, right? We want to know when this distance is, there's a minimum, so like closest together, right? We want to know when this equals 0. So this is the derivative. If we cross multiply, 0 times the denominator is just 0. So all we're actually having to do right now is deal with the numerator. Okay, so I get 0 equals 200 t minus 320. Bring that over. We get 320 equals 200 t. Divide that out. We get t equals 1.6. So we need to check s at 0, s at 1.6, and s at 2.5. Because we're looking on the interval of 0 to 2.5. Now, let's plug these in. S at 0, I get root 400, I get 20. S at 1.6, if you calculate it on your calculator, you get 12. And S at 2.5, you get 15. So, when are they the closest together? Let's go purple. Okay, we're looking at 20, 12, and 15. When are they the closest together? They're the closest together at 1.6 seconds. Therefore, closest together at 1.6 hours, 12 kilometers, which is 12 kilometers away from each other. Okay, 1.6 hours. If we apply that to this 9 a.m., what's 1.6 hours? Go back. Okay, 1.6 hours, so we have 9 a.m., and that takes us till 10 a.m. Okay, what's 0.6 hours? So 0.6, you need to multiply by 60, because time is not base 10, time is base 60. So it's 36 minutes. So 10:36 a.m. So at 10:36 a.m., they will be 12 kilometers away from each other.